If you connect to a remote computer and only see a black screen in TeamViewer, it can be pretty frustrating. Yeah, this usually happens because of display settings, graphics drivers, or remote session options. But the good news is there are a few simple fixes that often solve the problem quickly, so let's go through them. First, check the Remove Remote Wallpaper setting. Sometimes this feature causes display issues during remote sessions. Just open the View menu and toggle the option off, then refresh the session. Next, try restarting the remote computer. Temporary graphics glitches or background display processes can sometimes cause the black screen problem. Another common cause is outdated graphics drivers. Updating the display driver on the remote computer can often fix screen rendering problems in remote sessions. If the problem continues, try disabling hardware acceleration in TeamViewer settings. This forces the program to use software rendering, which can fix compatibility issues with certain GPUs. Another quick fix is adjusting the display resolution or monitor settings on the remote computer. Sometimes unsupported resolutions or multi-monitor setups can cause the black screen. And if none of those fixes work, try updating or reinstalling TeamViewer. A fresh installation can fix corrupted files or compatibility problems. And that's it. One of these fixes usually solves the TeamViewer black screen issue and restores your remote display. If this helped you out, yeah, feel free to like the video and check out the channel for more quick tech tutorials.